Yeah, so after that jump, I heard the bike creaking as I was pedaling, and as you know, I borrowed the bike from someone, so I was a little concerned. Um, but I sent him a message, he told me to try to tighten it up, and I accidentally snapped the chainring bolt, and so he was kind enough to offer to give me a replacement so I could keep riding his bike. So I threw the bike in the back of the Lightning and headed to meet him at his kind of makeshift shop where he keeps some of his bikes. A little background on the gray Big Ripper you've seen me riding here lately. This bike actually belongs to my friend Troy. Troy is someone that just loves bikes, as you can see him riding that particular Big Ripper here. But loves bikes so much that when he heard that my bike was broken, he offered me to use his bike while I took time to find parts for mine. And he was even kind enough here to help repair his bike that I broke.
I could see where you big old wrench were.
Cranks, the sprocket, or I guess the chain ring, and the bolts, the pedals. But what else? I know it's a very mild build compared to stuff you normally have, but it seemed really awesome to me. So.
Oh, yeah, I changed the brake. It's got box brakes on it. The profile. Or is that a White Industries? It's a profile freewheel. And I changed the seat post clamp. That's it. Chainring, the spider, the pedals. That's about it. And the handlebars. Those are Al's Rapid Transit bars.
That's cool.
American made.
The brake looks cool, so it makes me think about things that I'm going to upgrade on my bike. You know, I ordered the new freewheel. I ordered the Imperial sprocket, but a guy yesterday posted like a JW Racing, and I really like the style of it. It kind of reminds me of like a billet wheel.
Yeah,
so
billet cuts all this stuff. I have some chain rings on some other
thanks
ones.
for letting me ride. I really enjoy it, and it's helped us keep going.
Put your tool back in.
Yeah, I'll throw it back in there.
Certain way.
Yeah, that's actually on the back side of it. It just kind of shows the direction everything goes in there. It's a little heavy for like riding around with, but in terms of just, you know, something to keep in your truck.
That's right. It's still awesome. I like this. The way it shows you how to put it back.
Yeah.
For a guy like me, I'll borrow your tool and you get it back in pieces.